Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating after installing iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, update iOS version. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Tap on Software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is background app refresh. Turn off. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on general. Scroll up. Tap on background app refresh. You can see background app refresh. Tap on it. Background app refresh, turn off, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is turn off location services. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. Location services, turn off, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone overheating after installing iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.